Hello everyone! Welcome to Sophisticated DIY. In today's video, I want to share with you my first out of 2 haul I got for the holiday sales. So let's go! So this first batch I got it on AliExpress. It has a lot of things. So let's start. Oh, this one is a bedded. This is supposed to be for pets. But I found it very cute, and because of the size, I think it might work. Maybe a tad bit, but not that big. It seems very good quality. Let me try on the doll. Isn't it pretty? I told you. I give this hat 7 out of 10 because the front cap, it doesn't have too much shape, but everything else is nice. Next, let's see what I have. I have a few packages. They consolidate everything. That's why. Oh, this is a belt. I really needed this color belt. I was being a little lazy to do it myself just because of the finish, and this one is very well finished, and this is why I wanted to buy it. Let me see how it works with the mannequin. I think that the size is very good, maybe a little long, but that's okay because we always can shorten it. I give this belt 8 out of 10. It's really nice. Next, I have, this is a sewing guide. Sometimes I sew by hand, and sometimes it's kind of a little bit difficult to be so precise with the width of the stitches that you want to make. And this is supposed to put it at the edge of your sewing, and then you will have perfectly spaced sewing stitches. Isn't it cute? Very good for me. Next, I have those cute shoes. Oh, wow. I really was in love with them, and I didn't buy it before because they were a little pricey, but this time they were on sale, and look at that. They look really cute. The color is like different. Very nice. Let me try on my dog. If it fits to her, it will fit for all of them. Oh, yes. And it fits very well on her. Look at the shoes, a little bit more detail. They look fantastic. I give these shoes 10 out of 10. They seem fantastic. Next, oh no. I know what it is. This is not dog related. But let me show it to you now that it's here in my shopping spree package. So this is a pair of slippers, and I have a grandson that is a husky, and I think his dad will really love them. That's why I got them. They're really cute, huh? Next, we have 2 things. This one is a sweater that I got. I wasn't sure because sometimes sweaters are like, I don't know, sometimes sweaters don't look that great on the people, but I will see. This sweater looks really nice, really good. The rib knit at the finishing is really nice. It has a Velcro at the back. But I noticed, oh look, wow, it's like a they used to color 2 different batches. Oh no, it's dirty. I rate this sweater 6 out of 10 just because it's a stain. Otherwise, it would have been a little bit higher. It looks really good. I still recommend it. Next, we have a suit. It's like a sweater dress and the leg warmers. It's very cute. It seems like it has another skirt inside, but it's just part of the dress. Let me try on the mannequin to see how it looks, and it looks really good. It's cute. It's beautiful. I will rate this 8 out of 10. I recommend it. Next, we have a pair of boots. They call it military boots or aviator boots. I will call those riding boots. I don't know. It seems to me like they are more like riding, but still, of course, they can be military. These are more for uncles. Like these are for male dolls, but I really like them. And I bought them for my female dolls. I think they are really cute. They are very well made. It's amazing. Like the finishing, it's outstanding. This is all from the same store of shoes. This is not a sponsor. It's just that they really are amazing. It works really great for her. They have as well belt, so they look nicer. I will rate those boots 9 out of 10. I really recommend them. Next, we have a cute skirt. I'm really surprised because it's looking way better than the pictures. It's even a little big, which better bigger than smaller, right? This is how they look on the mannequin. I will rate this skirt 7 out of 10. I really recommend them. Next, we have a wig. I really wanted a wig of this color. It's a kind of a, I don't know if I would say strawberry blonde or reddish. It's a different color. It's a kind of bob with, or a little bit longer, something like that. Let me put on the doll to see how it looks. And I know it's not really well put, but I think after I comb it and accommodate it, I think it will be great. I rate this wig 7.5 out of 10. I really recommend it. Next, I have two more things. Let me see. I have this is like a kind of sweater. It imitates, like the fabric imitates the knit. And it looks really good. The fabric is super soft. It's very nice. And then we have as well, they are sold separate, but I bought it in the same store, so they came together. And this is a pair of sneakers, and they look fantastic. So I really find that sweater really nice, and the sneaker as well. For the shoes, I will give 9 out of 10, and for the sweater, I will rate it 7 out of 10. Next, I have some buttons. You know that I'm always sewing and making projects for the dolls, and sometimes I get a little stuck if I don't have the right buttons. Sometimes I print them, but if you can get like a few of them in different colors and have them in a stock, is really great. Now I'm gonna separate them so it will be just easier for me when I'm making a project. Just take the color I want. I have those little things, my boxes and everything, so I can have everything organized, because not that I'm organized, but that helps me keep track with everything I have. And this is all that I have. I'm gonna try to mix and match everything just to show to you how everything looks on my dolls. I'm gonna start with this sweater. I think that it has like a defect on the shoulders. They are like sticking out a little bit. It doesn't look great. It's okay, but not great. So this is such an easy fix. I just need to mark how much are they sticking out, and then I'm just gonna open those shoulders because they are sewn on the shoulders, so it's so easy. I open those shoulders and then I'm taking in, and then I just close it back, and that's it. Done. The only thing that I needed to take into account here is to be careful when I connect at the shoulder so it doesn't make a bump, but then everything is okay. Because I'm making like a kind of black and white, I want to add a little pop of color, so I'm gonna use this bubblegum pink chiffon, and I'm gonna make a false color. And this, I really don't recommend it. I don't love this way to make the color, but it's the easier way. You just need to put your fabric on bias, and then you're gonna make a little cut that will be the width of your collar, and then you are gonna close that triangle and turn it. And it's pretty nice, but it's not great really. But I can show you in a short how to do it. In the meantime as well, I'm gonna make some kind of tie or something for the collar. And I think these lips I have will be fantastic for what I want to make. Now let's do the get ready with me. I'm gonna start with long black leggings to streamline the silhouette, and of course to balance the volume of the sweater. Then, as we talked before, we are gonna add that detail of the fuchsia pink on the collar, preparing everything for this oversized white cable knit sweater. You know, I made everything around that sweater because the sweater is what sets the whole outfit for sure. Then I'm using the necklace to add a little bit of personality, while the knee-high black boots crown the whole outfit, adding this polish, equestrian feel edge that keeps everything feeling very well structured. For hair, I'm gonna choose the wig I just bought, and I know in theory it's not the right color, but still I feel it offers hair a mysterious editorial aura. And of course the headphones bring aesthetic and personality. Then we have the back that says, yes, I do care sometimes. And here you go. Look at these double lips and the collar. And this is how she looks. It's kind of a blend of winter comfort, stylish contrast, and a hint of drama, cozy, chic, and full of character. Very mysterious, very editorial, cute, but still a little dramatic. Next we have a belt. Of course, I'm not gonna do a get ready with me with the belt, but I just wanted to show you with the jeans. It looks really great. This look is kind of effortless, but at the same time, she's kind of well put together. For my next get ready with me, I wanna make a kind of a headband just to complete the look. This is just so easy to do. I just did a chain stitch long enough to cover my metal headband, and then I start to make a single crochet until I had the right width, and then everything else was very easy. I took a piece of ribbon and I sew it to the headband, making sure to use the same thread at the bobbin so you cannot really see the stitches I made. Now I'm gonna finish preparing my shirt, sweater, dress. I'm ironing. Always iron your clothes when you get close. So we now are ready for our get ready with me. We're gonna start with the dress. This dress, as I said before, is meant to be like a sweater with the skirt. It's a full skirt, of course. And then I'm gonna add long socks just to add a little bit more drama. I feel like the leg warmer are a little too short, so I'm kind of balancing everything. Then I'm gonna add the sneakers. Remember, I'm trying to use all the pieces that I got today. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of detail with the necklace, and I'm gonna add my favorite wig for this doll, which is my Anna Wintour bob style. And let's see how the headband look on her. It looks great. I'm gonna use this fanny pack to add a little bit of color that goes very well with the color of the graphic design on the sweater. And this is her, and she looks so cute. I wasn't sure if I wanted to get that outfit just because it's extreme. Just because it's super cute, and I'm not looking exactly that, but now that I have it and my doll has it on, I find it so cute that I don't want it to remove it. Look at that. Now is the time of my last outfit. As I said before, that skirt is very well done. I love it. I'm just tacking a little bit the lining so it doesn't move too much, so the skirt stay well put and it will be easier to use it. The fabric is really good. So that's everything I needed, and I can go with my get ready with me. This time I'm going for a retro fall girl energy, but in the best way. The tights mean chic, but as well I want to be protected and I want to go out in these cold days. The glitter blue skirt keep the look sweet and fresh, while the soft green striped sweater will give her character and the retro vibes. Then of course the shoes will complete everything that I wanted to say, adding that pop of colors that will go so well with the scarf. The scarf really brings the whole suit together because it goes with the shoes, with the sweater, and as well with the hat. Her hair is just fabulous. And as I said before, the pink hat, the orange hat back, and the bright yellow shoes pull everything into a playful, colorful moment. And of course, her yellow crybaby. And look at that. Look at her. Look at this. Look. It's cozy. It's cute. And it's a whole mood. Like a little fashion story walking into autumn. Please let me know in the comments which one of the styles you like the most. And if you find this video useful or entertaining, please give us a like, give us a hype, and don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. Bye!